Hi there, beautiful people. Tim Lee, Legacy Studio Network. I'll tell you a little bit about that at the end of the video. The Legacy Studio Network is doing some pretty crazy things, and I'm looking forward to sharing that with you. But let's talk about what I'm all dressed up in my grubs for, getting ready for this weekend. We're off to Kalispell, Montana to spend some time with our good friends over at Nature Baby Outfitter at their Main Street location. I'm going to be there from 12 to 3. They're open from 12 to 4, doing what they're calling a Tonies Swap. Now, if you've never heard of a Tonies Swap, which I had not, I did a little research, and I think this is really, really cool. Imagine a wireless speaker that is made for your kids. Now, you're not going to pair your phone to it or whatever. What you're going to do is you're going to buy these Tony characters. No, this is not a Tony character. This is my little collectible piece. But imagine this as a Tony character, and you put this Tony character on top of the speaker. It will then read what character's on top of the speaker and read your kids' stories, play them songs, all kinds of great stuff. Parents can go and buy as many of these Tonys as they want, give them to their kids. The kids can take them to their speaker, put them on top, and get the content that they should have. That's going to help nurture them and educate them and give them something fun, give them some good entertainment. I love the idea behind this, but if you got a crazy collection of Tonys around, well, wouldn't it be a great idea if at a location like Nature Baby Outfitter was doing a swap so that you could bring those characters and swap them out with other people? You heard me right. So come on by, bring all your Tonys with you, and while you're there, get a free caricature from Caricatures by Tim Lee, the kingpin of caricature, at least in Montana, because there's a lot of amazing artists out there, so I'm just the kingpin of Montana, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, come on out. They've hired me to come out and draw free caricatures. It's not going to cost you a penny. Come on out, have a great time with your family. Check out the beautiful store there. That you can't miss it. It's at 35 South Main Street, Suite A. Like I said, you can't miss it. First time I got to stop by there and talk with them, I went to that location first because it's just in the middle of downtown. It's impossible to miss. Come on by, have a good time, and we'll see you there. So humongous thank you to the amazing folks at Nature Baby Outfitter for having me out yet again. I love my return clients, and I love shouting out what they're doing, why they're doing it, and why on earth they'd hire an idiot like me to come out and have a little bit of fun. We'll see you out there, okay? And then finally, Legacy Studio Network. I keep talking about this, I keep advertising this, and I want to do it here too. So here's a little ad to tell you a little bit about all the hard work I've been doing, and maybe if you want to see another video where maybe I went to Nature Baby Outfitter and recorded the story of going there, and maybe drew a couple caricatures for you to see, well, you can check out the video in the link below, right here on the network. All right, God bless you guys, love you, and we'll see you next time right here on the Legacy Studio Network. And of course, I'll see you on Sunday from 12 to 3. They're open from 12 to 4 for the Tony Swap at Nature Baby Outfitter. All right, see ya. I want to let you know that Legacy Studio is a network of YouTube channels that I've created over the years with over 1,500 videos of all kinds. And if you're enjoying this content, I would love to invite you to join me on some of the other content I've made on a few of my other channels. That it would be perfect for you. Now, Legacy Studio is a Christian-owned and operated YouTube network. And I've been making content here since 2010. So, this is family-friendly content for most ages.
Oh no, I'm stuck. I am so 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 stuck. I am so... No, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Don't come here.
And is striving to be a testimony in a climate full of entertainment that goes without moral thought. We try to keep it clean here, but we aren't politically correct. So please support the cause by checking out a few of the other channels here and maybe getting subscribed. Links will be in the description below.